We are in our 10-part series, 2-minute tips for the emergency homeschooler. And today's tip is to just work as a unit, work as a family. So as we are all going through this transition and all of our kids are back home with us and they are doing virtual learning, this is really where the village comes in. This is going to take a team effort to make sure that we are all accomplishing the things that we need to accomplish, whether for work or for school, and doing it effectively. So what you can do is to give everyone in the family a role or a job to help make sure that we are all meeting our goals. We have to work together as a family because you aren't just mama anymore. You are the mom, the teacher, the principal, the lunch lady, the guidance counselor. You are now in that club. So I want you to give everyone in your family maybe a role or a job that they can do to help make this transition easier and to make everyone's life easier. It doesn't have to be anything big. It can be something small, whether it's the kids having chores or maybe them coming up with the breakfast and lunch menus. Give them something that can help. So everyone in the family should take on a role to help make everyone's transition easier and smoother and to get you guys on the same page. And that is it. Super easy tip that you can implement right now, but make sure you don't implement it before you hit that like button. Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and feel free to share this video with a friend. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.